Good morning, children. This is the last day of our week, that is Saturday. On Saturday, I want every children to revise all those topics which we have covered throughout the week, that is Monday to Friday. So here are some activity sheet that I am going to discuss. After discussing these activity sheets, I will I hope that all children will able to do this activity sheet comfortably. So now first revision activity sheet is maths, and the question number 1 will be write numbers from 21 to 50. Here I have mentioned every first number of that line. So I have written 21. You will be writing after 21, that is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and so on. And here I have written 31. After 31 you will be writing the numbers 32, 33, 34, 35 and so on. Here I have written 41. You have to write number after this 42, 43, 44, 45 and so on. Now question number 2 is match the similar number. You have to match similar number that looks like, means कि जो नंबर एक दूसरे से मैच कर रहे होते हैं, एक दूसरे की तरह दिख रहे होते हैं, दैट इज 22, 22, 35, 35, इट्स लुक सिमिलर, 43, 43, इट्स लुक सिमिलर, 27, 27, इट्स लुक सिमिलर, same 38, 38, 50, 50. Now coming to our next subject activity sheet, revision sheet, that is our English. So first question is write letters C, D, E, A. Now before discussing how you have to write, can you tell me the phonic sound of C? K. Phonic sound of C is K, cat. K, cup. Okay, what is the phonic sound of A? A, apple. A, apple. A, ant. Now what is the phonic sound of E? E, egg. E, elephant. Now can you tell me the phonic sound of D? D, drum. D, dog. So I have covered phonic sound of those letters which we have covered this week. After this week, I will cover those phonic sound of letters which we will cover in next week. So first letter, every first letter I have written, and after that I have drawn a dot. So on dot you have to start your letter, like I have drawn dot. You have to start with dot and write down C. This is this is a middle case C. Now using this dot, first you will draw C and then draw one line. Using this dot, first you will draw C and then you will make this line. By using this dot you will draw one single line, and from the middle of this line you will draw C and so on. Now question number 2 is match similar letters. As previous sheet I have said that similar means those things which look like same, means जो चीज़ें एक दूसरे के सेम होती है, सिमिलर होती हैं, मिलती हैं, that is small c, small c, small e, small e, small a, small a, small d, small d. Now coming to our next subject revision sheet, that is Hindi. So here it is written व्यंजन को देखकर पुनः लिखें. मैंने जो इस वीक में हम लोगों ने व्यंजन कवर किया है, व्यंजन पूरा किया है, वो व्यंजन मैंने लिखा है क से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ग से गमला. फिर मैंने डॉट्स ड्रॉ किए हैं और उस डॉट्स पे आपको ये व्यंजन फिर से लिखने हैं. ना चित्र देखकर सही अक्षर पर गोला लगाएं. सबसे पहले मैंने कमल बनाया हुआ है और उसके सामने कुछ व्यंजन लिखे हुए हैं। तो कमल जिस व्यंजन से स्टार्ट होता है उस व्यंजन पर हमें गोला लगाना है। ख से हमारा कमल नहीं होता, ग से हमारा कमल नहीं होता, हमारा कमल होता है क से। तो आपको क को सर्कल करना है। फिर दूसरे नंबर पे मैंने ये क्या बनाया है, कोई मुझे बता सकता है? ये खटमल है। खटमल हमारा ख से होता है, क से होता है कि ग से होता है? ख से। तो हमें ख को सर्कल करना है। ये हमारा गमला है। गमले को हम ग से ग पर, गमले ग से गमला, तो ग को हम सर्कल करेंगे। नाउ कमिंग टू आवर लास्ट रिविजन शीट, दैट इज आवर EVS. Here I have written draw and color healthy food. Children, I have explained you through some items, through some things about healthy and healthy food. Do you know about healthy food? Healthy foods are those food which give nutrition to our body, that help us body to grow our mental and physical growth. So kids, these are some revision sheets which you have to complete on Saturday. Thank you.